Want to add a 3D image effect to your website using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can elevate your visuals and make your site stand out. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Just a heads up, my Elementor affiliate link is in the description below. If you're planning to try it out, I'd really appreciate the support. So, start by opening your browser and logging into the admin panel of your WordPress website. From the dashboard, click on Pages, then go to All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of every page on your site. Pick the one you want to work on. For example, I'm choosing the Home page and click the Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor editing interface. Once it loads, you'll see your page preview in the center and the editing panel on the left-hand side. Click on the image you want to apply the 3D effect to. Then, click the pencil icon that appears on the image. On the left, the Edit Image panel will now be visible. Go to the Advanced tab and scroll down until you see the Transform option. Click to expand it. Inside, you'll find a section called Rotate. Click it, and now you'll see an option called 3D Rotate. By default, it's turned off. Go ahead and toggle it on. Once enabled, you'll have access to Rotate X, Rotate Y, and Perspective. You can use the sliders to adjust these values or manually type in your preferred numbers. As you tweak the Rotate X and Y sliders, you'll see your image take on a cool 3D effect in real time, almost like it's popping off the page. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click the Publish button in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. Now you've added a dynamic 3D effect to an image using Elementor. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.